Hi YouTube family, welcome back to Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel. Before we start the video, I would like everyone to go to the search bar and click on Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel name, and then please click on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell icon for getting the regular updates. Now in today's video I'm going to show how to make mushroom pepper dry. Now let's see what all ingredients we require. Now make the list of the ingredients which are displayed now. Let's prepare mushroom pepper dry. Firstly, take a frying pan and keep it on the stove and put the oil. Add 1 cup of mushroom. I have taken 1 packet of mushroom and I have cut it into half. Now allow it to fry for 1 minute and then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add little bit of salt according to your taste. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of black pepper powder. And then just mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And now it's time to mix it well. Just fry the mushrooms very nicely. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep the stove on the medium flame. You can see I have allowed the mushrooms to fry now. The mushrooms are done now and now it's ready to eat. You can serve it with a plate or a bowl and enjoy your mushroom pepper dry recipe. Please hit on the like button if you have liked the recipe. And I really require all of your support to grow my YouTube family, and therefore I kindly request everyone to please subscribe and hit on the bell icon without forgetting. Thank you.